Use hands. Enable. Use your hands in VR. What? Okay guys, so I am so excited today because I just have a present for you guys. Alright? I have something amazing. Let me show you. Come on, folks. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I got the new Quest 2. I was the first person in Walmart, my Walmart at least, that ever got this. I was waiting for them to get it in the truck and then them bringing it out. Like, this was not even on the shelf and I got it. I'm excited, as you can tell. I do. Own the Rift S with some modifications, but I'm going full wireless now with the Quest 2. Man, I never thought I would ever get this. Like, this is just amazing. So I'm gonna unbox it, and I'm sorry about this terrible setup. I have the microphone and the view. I literally just got this. I got home, propped the camera up on a little tiny tripod. I have the camera video going to the monitor. Let's unbox this. So, I'm gonna make sure you guys can see this, and I'm sorry, I don't have no camera above to show everything, because this is my first YouTube channel. Oh, and by the way, I did injure my wrist at work. I don't know if I mentioned that. So, trying to not to be too rough. Plastic is off. That's the first part. Smells new. You ready? Let's see. Oh my goodness, it is so small. Ooh. Smells new. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Oh, I gotta put this on. It's heavy. I'm definitely gonna be getting that Halo strap, for sure, without a doubt. Pretty small. Let me compare it to my Rift S. Okay. This is just a little warning. This is a year of use with some pretty terrible modifications. This is it. They're not bad modifications. I got the head strap, the speakers. I got a different face mask here. I'm probably gonna do some heavy modifications to this device too. Yeah, size comparison. That's what I was gonna do. It's kind of a little bright. Yeah. It's fairly, I guess it just looks smaller because it's got rounded edges or something. That's my best guess. Yeah. Already first, when I put this on, this is way more comfortable. I don't know if it's just my modifications that I made on there or anything like that. Let me just, yeah, well, this is way more comfortable. It's just the nose is much better than that. Like I said, modifications will do. I keep in mind, this is the 256 gigabyte, $400 VR Oculus Quest 2. Now, if you want to go cheaper, you can go down to $350 and get the, I believe it was a 64 gigabyte version, which is weird. I thought it was 128 or 64. I can't remember. Oh, there's a little plastic thing around this. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Here we go. Which just has smaller storage size, which honestly would get the larger storage size because it's just $50 more. You get a lot of more storage on there. What's the lens sizes here? Lens is the same size. I will probably have a video overlaying this showing the lens size. But yeah, I'm gonna boot this up, and I have no idea how to record this, by the way. So, oh, I know what my nose is feeling. It's feeling the lens. That's what it's feeling. So it's feeling these things right here. Oh, I forgot. Controllers. Gotta need controllers. Well, for startup at least. I'm gonna be able to do VR Beat Saber so much more easierly. What's in here? Charging cable. Okay. All right. And glasses thing. Don't need those. Don't need glasses. Okay, I can't record the setup process, or at least to my knowledge. So I'm gonna have the setup process off. You won't be able to see what I'm doing, but then once I have everything set up, I will record my screen so you can see everything. And why am the microphone's up here? I should be talking up here. I'm in. I don't know how to record. Use hands. Enable. Use your hands in VR. Oh my goodness. I will. What? Am I recording? I better make sure I'm recording. Okay, good, I'm recording. That's so weird. We are literally living in the future, my friends. What? And there's no cords attached to me? Oh my goodness. This is so cool. If I put my hand up, yep. Guys, for $350, you gotta get it. Oh my goodness, I'm installing Beat Saber. This is so worth $350 already, guys. So I can't see, oh my goodness, this is weird. Oh wow. Agree, continue. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. What? This is totally different. Fitbit Expert 360. Okay. Okay, so this is just gonna be oh boy. Oh, the vibrations feel so different. And the animations look so different. Oh my goodness. I wish I knew how to record on here, but I'm doing 360 so I can experience the free chords. Okay, so conclusion. And yes, I'm all sweaty. Please ignore that. Don't get this if you want to do really fast VR games, like Beat Saber, for example, or any rhythm song games, I should say. Let me tell you why. Maybe they can fix this in a software update. I highly doubt they will, because they probably will never see this video. Is that there is lag behind this. Like there's like this much of a difference. Like in real life it should be right here, but in the game it's like up to here. That's a big deal. When I'm trying to do games I can do easily on my Rift S, which by the way has the same tracking system, so I don't know why in the world it's slower. I mean, I guess because it's not computer powered. Maybe if I have this plugged into a computer, it will act better. I don't know. I haven't tried that. I guess you'll have to wait until like the full 1 week review that I'm going to have on this thing. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to be reviewing this Pixel 4a. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I thought I'd throw that out. Yeah, the lag is what I was trying to say earlier is when I try to do it when I do games on the Rift S easily, I can't do it on here because there's lag behind. That's my best way I can explain it. Behind the controllers, like it's not like in real life, and that just messes me up. That's the first bang against these. Get used to it. Which sucks because this is a really great device. But do get it if you want to do everything but rhythm fast, like really fast rhythm games. Like I'll have an example right in front of my face. Those type of games or songs, whatever. But if you don't plan on doing that, this is a great VR headset. If you're not moving your arms like extremely fast, you're not gonna notice it. You might notice it every once in a while. And if you do the hand tracking, you're not gonna notice it. It's fine. But like I've said, like this is gonna be the third time. If you're doing fast rhythm games, don't get this. Get the Rift S, or if you don't have a computer, which is what their main selling thing is, get this, because I'm sure it's better than the original Quest, and it's the same price if you get the higher, storage. If you don't get the higher storage, the 64 gigabytes, it's $50 cheaper than the original Rift. And if you go on eBay and look at the original Rifts being sold, they're being sold for like $600, or at least the last time I've checked, which is absolutely crazy when you can get this for $350. Anyways, final conclusion. Get this if you're doing what a normal person would do. Don't get this if you are into VR esports that are required for accuracy stuff. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's my first ever video I've ever done like this, so I'm sorry. I will learn with my mistakes. Like, I'm probably too low right now. I probably should sit up high. I don't even know if I'm in the view well enough because my monitor is not working right now for some odd reason. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for this Pixel 4a video I'm going to be making. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Welcome to my channel, Mid-Range Tech. If you're new, everyone's new, so hit that subscribe button and that like button if you like it, of course, or if you want to even. Most people don't. I don't blame them. But yeah, see you guys later.